Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Evernote affiliate program, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with the Evernote affiliate program, start by visiting the official Evernote website. Scroll down to the footer of the home page. Look for the link that says affiliates or affiliate program. Click on the link to navigate to the affiliate program page. Here, you will find detailed information about the program and its benefits. Next, look for a button or link that says Join Now or Sign Up. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to fill out an application form. Enter your personal information, including your name and email address. Provide details about your website or marketing platform. Make sure to include how you plan to promote Evernote. Review the terms and conditions of the program. If you agree, check the box to accept them. Submit your application form. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. Check your email for this confirmation, including any next steps. Once your application is approved, log in to your affiliate dashboard. Here, you will find unique affiliate links to promote Evernote. Copy these links to use in your marketing efforts. You can also access promotional materials and banners in your dashboard. Start sharing your affiliate links through your website, blog, or social media. Monitor your performance through the affiliate dashboard. Keep an eye on your earnings and any potential payouts. Review any updates or new offers from Evernote regularly. This will help you maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. With these steps, you're now connected to the Evernote affiliate program and ready to start earning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.